going on, everybody? Welcome once again to Online TV. I'm your host, Nelson Aravala Jr., and welcome once again to my channel. Before I begin, I do have to say, if you're new here, please subscribe. Please be part of that 30% and not that 70% that doesn't subscribe. I need your help. Only you can help me. Please hit that subscribe button right now. I'm gonna give you guys the best content there is in the world. I'm gonna make you laugh. I'm gonna give you info. I'm gonna tell you how life goes. Guys, today I have the review of the Jordan AIRSHIP or Nike AIRSHIP, the collabo with Awake New York. But before we begin, I do have to say that this video is sponsored by the one and only, baby, the N to the line. The N to the line. Guys, check out my brand. N-line. Check out my brand. Like, peep the merch, peep the swag, peep the drip. We out here. We out here. You feel me? Follow me on Instagram at LMNYC. And if you want to cop this merch, get drippy, get fly, go to my website, lmnyc.com. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Boom! Here we have it, guys. The box. The box. Let's go. Now be aware, guys, that the box does not come like this. These are stickers that I added on to the front of the box. I don't know. I figured, why not? Because it comes with stickers. So this box is kind of like your combination of an Air Jordan 1 box mixed with something else. We got the lid on top. It says Awake New York. For those of you that are not aware, Awake New York is a streetwear brand owned by Angelo. He worked in Supreme and then he opened up his own brand. So shout out to him, because you know we gotta support one another, Latinos. You know, he's from Ecuador, so shout out to him. I hope you're watching this video. Felicidades, hermano, on this shoe. Congratulations. You know, I can't wait to collab with you in the future, to be honest. It would be dope to see Awake and N-Line together. So inside of the box, we have the coordinates. That's the coordinates of where the flagship store is. On the sides, we got Nike Air. Once again, guys, I added these stickers. So it came with stickers. It shows you the 5 boroughs. On one side is the 4 boroughs. We got Staten Island, then Queens, which is where I'm from, the Bronx, and Manhattan. Now on the other side, we got highlighted Brooklyn in blue, and then we got 2 Awake stickers. The other stickers is where I'm from in Queens and Air Jordan. On the inside of the box, we got the tissue paper. The tissue paper says Awake New York, the logo and the brand. On the back, we have I think it's the blueprint of Manhattan. Yeah, it is. It's the blueprint of Manhattan. Pretty dope. And boom, here's the shoe. Guys, when I tell you, the smell of this shoe smells so good. Let me see if there's anything inside the box. No, nothing inside. So once again, it does come with stickers. So that's pretty cool. Oh, let me talk about the bottom of the box. We have a matte box, right? But we have that snakeskin finish and a glossy finish. So these are the Jordan AIRSHIP PESP Sale Black University Red and French Voile Université Rouge and Noir. These are size 11 thing, guys, and it does come with the Awake, with the pamphlet, and it has the Awake New York branding up on top and in the back. The details, man, they just go on and go on. The coordinates on the inside, the logo on the inside. I mean, forget about it. The diagram. This guy just went all in with the detail. So shout out to him. Guys, if you're interested and never got an AIRSHIP, go half a size up. These are very snug, very narrow. Go half a size up. You'll thank me later. Guys, the material is crazy. All right, guys. I don't know. Let's just get right into it. Because, like, I'm so excited. Like, this is a New York shoe. I'm from New York. I don't know if Angelo's from Queens or not, but he's definitely from New York. He might be from Queens, actually. Because, you know, he's Ecuadorian and stuff. But boom, here we go. Here is the shoe. What a beauty. To start off, give us that retro. If you know, you know. When the Air Jordan 1s used to come with these Jumpman, that was so fresh. That was so fly. You know, I wish they did that to all the Jordan 1s. But the most iconic branding of this shoe that tells you that this is the Awake shoe is that A monogram logo that is stitched or embroidered on the side, which is amazing. Guys, let's start off with the outsole of the shoe. We got like that. It's like a gun bottom, guys. It is definitely a gun bottom, but it's like ashy. It's like an ashy gun bottom. As we move our way to the midsole, it is that old, saily, but more like vintagey look. But guys, this is one of the best leathers that I've felt in such a long time. It just feels so good. Like you just want to sleep with it. It's buttery. It's very nice. Up top we got that faux snakeskin. One side it says Awake New York. One side it says Nike Air. These do come with white laces, but they give you extra red laces. Something interesting about the swoosh that I see what he did here, what also corporate did. They did the double swoosh where corporate had the silver on the bottom and then the teal on top. But right here we have the red on the bottom and the silver on top. Interesting. And on the heel we see that snakeskin again. And this is not really like a white shoe. This has like an eggshell, like a cream color to it. It's not like a white shoe, which I totally love and I dig. We got, whoa, I was not expecting that. On the tongue we got the Nike Air, but on the inside we got the Awake branding. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so the tongue is, you know, like that nylon tongue that we get for like the AIRSHIPs or the Jordan 1s. On the inside we got a Thylon midsole. Let me show you guys real quick. Take it out. It is super thick, so you can tell that these are going to be comfortable. What else, guys? What else can I tell you? I don't know. I think I've covered it all. If you guys have any questions for me in the comments, let me know. But until then, this is it, my people. Follow me on Instagram at LMNYC. If you want to cop merch, get drippy, get flat, go to my website, LMNYC.com. Thank you guys so much. Until the next one, deuces.